This is a tutorial for LMC, DVC, and CCC students whom have either never used Insite before or need some help registering for classes and the like. So first of all, you're going to bring up your browser of choice. I'm using Google Chrome, and you're going to type in insight.4cd.edu. And this will come up, an authentication required, and you have to put in your username. And pretty much it's always going to be the first initial of your first name, your last name, and then the last 3 numbers of your student ID. And then you're going to type in your password. And so if you've never logged into Insite before, it'll be your birth date. So for example, if you were born December 15th, 1994, it would be 12/15/94. But once you've logged in, you can change your password. And like for me, I've had mine changed. And then you just hit login. And it'll load, and this is the first home page you'll see. And depending on what college you're registered at, even though I attend both colleges, I'm technically registered at Diablo Valley College. And so then you have email, and the best thing to do is to click this button if you've never logged on before to have your email forwarded, and I'll do a video on that later. But this one is just for registration. So we're going to hit students, and you're going to hit this one, registration. Sometimes it does that. I don't love this website, truthfully. Okay, and then you can either do 2 things. If you know the exact numbers, the little codes, the 4-digit codes, you can do express registration, but if you don't, you can do search for sections. Or you can do search and register. Let's just search for sections to see what classes are available. So location, we'll do Los Condados College in fall 2014. And let's choose a subject. How about physical education? Let's just do that one for simplicity's sake. Okay, so PE, or you can see Connect, which is kinesiology. And then you can add other things like times, days of the week, etc. But we're just going to search all of the PE classes at LMC for fall. And so that does its little loading, and here we go. So now you have all the classes. It shows, you can click on it to get more information, but it'll show like the time, the location, the semester, the location of the school, what faculty members, the professor, availability, capacity, and waitlist, if it's open or closed, and how many credits it's worth.